Mabuhay! Ako po si Mirna Cruz, 17 years old from Pateros. I'd like to extend a warm welcome to all of you this evening. I'm Joelle Talayas, I'm 22 years old, and I'm from Quezon City, the city of stars. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. I'm Johanna Paula Binuman, 17 years old, and I hail from the Queen City of the South, Cebu. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako si Ana May Corbu, 21 taong gulang, mula sa maksaysayan at matulayang lalawigan ng Bulacan. Mabuhay! My name is Miriam Tambal. I am 23 years old and I come from Quezon City. Mabuhay, Philippines! My name is Sharon de Guzman. I'm 18 years old and I come from Pasig City. Good evening. My name is Katrina Sanchez. I'm 19 years old and I come from the province of Pangasinan. Mayo Benny everyone. My name is Mayan Figueroa. I'm 18 years old and I come from the province of Pampanga. Good evening. I'm happy to see everyone here supporting us tonight. My name is Janelle Bautista. I'm 22 and happy to be here from Quezon City. Good evening. I'm Catherine de Guzman, the Spirit too. I'm 20 years old and I'm proud to be from the Shoemaker City, Marikina. Good evening. My name is Evita Ablea Bunya and I come from the province of Quezon. Good evening. My name is Devin Joseph Esperat. I'm 21 years old and I come from Novaliches, Quezon City. Magandang gabi sa inyong tanan. I'm Christina Tequia Pamintuan. I'm 22 and I'm from the biggest city in the world, Davao City. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Bernadette Maguyo, 18 years old, mula sa bayan ng Balot, Pateros. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I'm Lelaine Eston. I'm 21 years old and I come from the clean and green city of Marikina. Hello, good evening. My name is Jamie Hossa. I'm 20 years old and I come from the Piña City. Magandang gabi. Ako po si Mario Silva, 18 taong gulang, na nagmula sa bayan ng Lipa, Batangas. Good evening. My name is Joanna Ruiz. I'm 23 years old and I come from San Juan, Metro Manila. Thank you. Good evening. My name is Ethel Gutierrez, the past 20 years old, from the Christmas capital of the Philippines, Imus, Cavite. Maya Pabegi, my name is Mia Teodora Tiglao. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Angeles City, Pampanga. Good evening. I'm Angela Cheryl Tanson, 20 years old from Parañaque City. Good evening. I'm January May Flores Morales, 20 years of age from the city of Valenzuela. Good evening. My name is Hanlin Lorente, 19 years old and I come from the city of Pasig. Manahay na banggising taga boss, I'm Regina Andele Pasandico, 19 years old and I come from Bicolandia. Mabuhay! My name is Maricris Perez, I'm 23 years old and I'm from Pasay City. Good evening. I'm Joanna Rack Beltrano, I'm 17 years old and I come from the Wall Street of the Philippines, Makati. Mabuhay Philippines! I'm Michelle Archangel from Oriental Mindoro. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako si Mirasol Marilino Magura mula sa bayan ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas, San Juan, Metro Manila. Good evening. My name is Jayden Diaz. I'm 21 years old and I come from San Juan, Metro Manila.